So a lot of people have been asking me, RTR, when are you gonna try and climb the dam again for the third try? Well, there was a little bit of a problem. So what I was doing was I was actually filming a TikTok video and I was trying to walk the SCX24 on the outside edge of the one wall. What happened was it fell off, which I knew that that was a possibility. I was okay with it falling off because I knew I could get it. If anything broke on it, then I can just make more videos of me fixing it. It's a win-win for me. I'm gonna cut in right now the TikTok video that I made of me trying to get the SCX24 out of the water.
Part to Deadbolt Water Rescue.
I just dipped a GoPro down in there and I found it. It's not far from the wall. I have my magnet here. I also have this GoPro so that way we can get video of the rescue.
It took a few dips, but the magnet grabbed it. No! Come back! So close! Got it by the rear axle. Did you see the fish below? Look out, fish! Cannonball! I could feel I was hitting it. I'm trying to flip it over so the magnet grabs the chassis. I could feel the weight on the line. Time to pull this up. Again.
I'm gonna try and get it over here. There's like 3 steps. And if I can get it on the steps, at least then I'll be able to see it. But I'm gonna try and lift it up and put it on that wall there. When I tried to get it out of the water last time, it like fell off the magnet. So that's why I'm bringing it over the steps here. I'm gonna try and get it up on the wall.
Part 3, we check for damage.
And there we go. It's out. I'm gonna go down and get that.
All right, now time to assess the damage. First off, we have a bent axle and axle housing here. And here is a broken suspension link in the rear, and then we have one here in the front. And the ESC, it got a little wet, and just want to see if it works. So I'm going to spray it off with some electronic cleaner, and I'm going to clean out the ESC case here because it was filled with mud. Because the rear axle's bent, the motor won't spin. So I disconnected the rear drive shaft, and here you can see the front drive shaft spins all right, but the rear will not spin. So I'm going to plug this servo into the ESC, check and make sure that the servo still works and that the ESC still works. So turn it on here and we have power, and oh yeah, the servo does work, so that's a good thing. So now I'm going to test the throttle, see if the motor spins, and nope, I have nothing. So either the ESC's bad or the motor's burned out. So to test that out, I'm going to disconnect the barrage motor and I'm going to plug in my stock motor, and then I'm just going to see if the stock motor spins when I give it throttle. If it does spin, then that tells me that the ESC is good and that the motor is not. So as you can hear, the stock motor does spin, so the ESC is good and this barrage motor is toast. So yeah, not bad. The damage is minimal on this deadbolt, but I did order the new parts. I got the Injora high links. I had to get 2 sets because of the 4-link conversion. And then I got the Injora rear axle, the Vigu Hobby plus 4mm axles, and this is the Injora 66 turn brushed motor, and it comes with the aluminum plate. So can't wait to test that motor out, see how good it is. But check that out on the next video when I do the install of everything here in the deadbolt.